These sugar-free pedas made with simple ingredient is a quick and effortless mithai with some delicate flavors. These are truly the easiest way to celebrate during the festive season. We will soak our dates in warm milk and blend into a thick paste which will be all the sweetness for the pedas. Then heat some ghee and add your milk powder and roast it until you get that gorgeous golden brown color. At this stage, we will start adding milk slowly in parts and stir until you achieve that wet dough consistency or wet mawa consistency. Now add in your shredded coconut, the date paste, ghee, cardamom powder and rose water. Let this cook for a bit until it all comes together and then let it sit to cool till we are ready to make the pedas. And now we can shape them into these cute round pedas, roll them into coconut or pistachio powder, garnish them with some gold sprinkle and flowers, and they are ready. These make for such an effortless yet stunning mithai. You have to try this today. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.